Reality Workouts, Randy Long. It's Monday, October 18th. I'm doing the front squats. And again, I'm going down to this set of pins right here. I'm touching this set of pins. Before, I've been only going this high, so I'm getting about 4 inches lower in depth. My knee seems to be doing okay with this. It is a little more stretching the hips. I feel my hips working a little more, but it's actually easier on my knees so far. Move the weight to 205. This is 5 pounds more than I did on Friday. I'm still going to stick with just 3 reps though. Alright. Not too bad. Okay, Reality Workouts, Randy Long. Still Monday, October 18th. I'm doing another set of front squats to the low pins with 205. And just to give you an idea of the progression, this is only 5 pounds more than I did, than I did Friday for one set. Friday I did 185 for 3, 195 for 3, 200 for 3. Today I've done 185 for 3, 205 for 3. This will be 205 for 3 again. It doesn't seem like much, but if you count those 3 sets, today I'll have 45 more pounds total moved in the volume. So that's a good percentage of increase. It's about 2% of the total weight used. So that's a good percentage. You don't have to make big jumps to make good gains. Alright, here we go. Randy Long Reality Workouts. Finished up the heavyweight on this front squat. I'm going to try to do some reps here now. Still going to touch the bottom pins. I'm going to try not to go all the way up and lock out and do some non-lock reps here. Shoot for 8 to 10. And the weight's 135. I dropped the weight way down. Oh yeah.